Okay. Good evening, everyone, to all the participants who have gathered here for the workshop. My name is Yash, and I take care of the promotions of the project FOSSI. I would just like to give you a small brief about the activities. These workshops are now you are aware about the workshops which we conduct. So, Chem Collective, we are attending today. So, next week we have Scilab, and then there are many more in the pipeline. So, all the details of these workshops we update on our social media handles of Project Fossey. So I would just like to share the social media handles with you. Yeah, yeah. I have shared it. So Fossey is very active on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So I would request every one of you to like, follow, and subscribe our pages and handles so that you can stay updated with all our activities and upcoming events. Like we recently had a semester we had applications for semester long internship in which we received thousands of applications. Many people applied through LinkedIn, then many people also applied through various internship portals because we had uploaded there as well, we had advertised there, and we got many applications. So similarly, all the teachers or faculty members, you can ask your students to stay connected with us. So the benefit is, you get to know about all the activities upfront. I mean, you would be receiving email alerts as well, or emails as well from Project Fossey. But social media nowadays, since everyone is very active, so it's, it becomes very simple to just check the notifications on your phone. So that is the reason, I would request every one of you to like and follow. So, and I'm also sharing my the general email ID of Project Fossey, which is info@fossey.in. So in case you have any queries or any doubts regarding anything, any flaw, any open source software, or anything which is not very clear to you, you can definitely write to us, and we would be very happy to resolve your query. Because many times it happens that you might not know the correct direction or the correct person to contact. Then you can write to us. We'll be happy to guide you to the right person and resolve your query. So you can share these with your students. So there are, again, as I've mentioned earlier, there are many activities in the pipeline which are going to come soon. Semester long internship, as I've told, that the registrations are closed now, but we are hoping to come with similar events in the future as well. So please stay connected with us, and if you have any general queries or general questions, you can ask. I would be happy to help or resolve that in case you have anyone has any queries. Then
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm Xavier.
yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask something related to the registration of this
Hmm,
workshops.
hmm. Okay.
Basically, I'm from Gulf. I'm working as a
Okay.
PGT here in an Indian school, that is a CBSE affiliated school.
Correct, sir.
But when we wanted to apply for this workshop, register for this
Hmm.
workshop, there were no nothing for the international participants. Like you are keeping a separate Google form for international participants, but we are just
No.
in our.
Hmm.
But it is actually costing a lot. Actually, for us, it is costing around $40 to take part in this. We are
Okay.
but working in Indian schools. So is there anything can be done? Basically, we are not actually we can be called as international participant, but we are from Indian school teachers only. So is there
Okay.
anything can be done in the on that part? Because this
So,
time for registering, we were struggling a lot to find out how to pay and all these things and all. So can you
yeah.
do
Yes,
something
sir. So
something in the
I
next upcoming
hmm.
sessions? That will be easy for us,
Okay.
and more of us will be joining. That is the issue.
Correct.
Because
No.
this
So
time it was.
I will. Correct. Correct. So no, sir. I mean, we will definitely
And
discuss
please
this
treat
with
us,
Professor Kannan.
yeah,
Hmm.
please treat us as Indian teachers so that we will be happy.
Okay. No,
Because it
noted,
is,
noted, sir. We'll
yeah,
the team, and we'll discuss it with Professor Kannan, and we'll see how can we resolve this issue. Definitely, sir. We have noted it. We'll definitely take a look at it, and we'll try to resolve it, sir. Yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Any
Uh,
questions for
s-
Yash? Yeah.
So Mr. Ashok Kumar is sir, you can note this general email ID. I mean, because I am also an employee of FOSSI. So even if you write to info@FOSSI, so that will come to me. So that should be fine, sir. I mean, it's fine even if you write to
I'll
this.
do it, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
I wanted to do it in the feedback form you are going to give also, but I'll put it in mail also, no problem.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, tomorrow, Professor Kannan will have a feedback session in the evening. So there is a feedback session. So any of you who would like to, suggest something, or any of you faced any difficulties, you can all mention it there. So we have a session. So yeah, feel free to express yourself in that session, all of you. So, and we'll also give you a link for feedback form. And another thing is that FOSSI has now, we have a science website for chemistry, physics, and others. That is under construction. So if anybody wants to contribute, you can do that. So tomorrow we'll have that session. We'll introduce you to that website. FOSSI team manager Usha will do that. Okay. So yeah, you'll have a lot to do tomorrow also, actually. So anyone, anything to say anything? Then we can conclude the session and meet tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are all tired from morning, so I understand. So I'll post the solutions in the folder. I think someone was asking about the link. So I'll just hold on. I'll just give the link, okay, to the folder again. Yeah. So let us all meet at 9:30 again tomorrow. So the last day again, a lot of interesting sessions have are there tomorrow. Yeah, thank you all.
Ma'am, today's home assignment you have shared already, no?
No, sir. I think I have to put it today. I'm not sure if I have shared it in that folder.
Yes,
If not, I will do it. Yeah, practice problems I think I have shared, but not home assignments. I will share the home assignment.
practice problem we have done in the session only. No?
Yeah, in the class.
Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, I have not
Yes.
received any practice problem or assignment on my email.
In that link, that link you have to click, and then you can access. Just now I have given you one link, na? The same link. I will post again. Okay.
Okay.
That link. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Gomati Sridhar ma'am's notes I will put, and Dr. Rama Kanwar's notes also, slides also I will put. Yes. So I have to receive from them. So I think I received Rama's, but I'll request Dr. Gomati Sridhar also to share her notes, and then we can I'll post them, okay, separately in the same folder. Okay. Yeah. 27th files are not there. It will not be there, ma'am. So I'll put today slightly late in the night, okay, or tomorrow morning. Yeah, today 26, till today only you will get, okay. Yeah. Tonight I'll put 27th files, okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I missed out a part of this because of a phone call. That's why I was like,
Okay,
I missed
no,
the
no,
thing I
no
couldn't get.
issues.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No issues, Meenakshi ma'am. Yeah, we'll put it. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you all. So Madhuri, we just close the session. Yes, Akash. Yeah, definitely. Please work out more problems, and if you have anything very interesting, you can present it tomorrow. Yeah. So all of you will get a chance to present. So if some of you have done something nice, you can present tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you all. You were really wonderful. Thank you all. Madhuri,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I just want to ask one last thing, Snelata. I
Yeah.
hope everybody has installed, like nobody is left over in the installation thing, because tomorrow we are not running that Google Meet thing. Today,
Okay.
as we
Yeah,
had. So
we
I
should have
just want to
asked.
ask if everybody has installed.
Yeah, if some of you are still having problems, you may have to come back, again, maybe. Yeah, you please tell what is your problem, then we can specifically answer to your question.
Yeah, because if everybody is able to do it very nicely, so we will not have that session tomorrow of Google Meet.
Yes,
Because today
yes,
we
Madhuri.
had it till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But then we saw that no one was there, so we closed that. Madhulika has closed that link. But then
Okay,
if
okay,
still
okay.
if somebody has that issue of installing or downloading the CD content, please let us know in the morning tomorrow. Madhulika will again make that link active.
Yeah. So maybe, like I'll ask them again tomorrow morning. All of them. Yeah. So I
I was
think we
just
should
searching.
stop, Madhuri.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
So bye all. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you, ma'am. All of you. Thank you. Wonderful
Thank you.
day today.
Bye. Yeah. You too.
Bye.
You too.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, Kala.
I'm happy today, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Able
Kala
to
Senthil,
operate by
ma'am.
Kala
myself. I
Senthil
was
ma'am.
very happy.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So
She was
happy
able to
today.
do it.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice
Thank you,
meeting
ma'am.
you, ma'am. I think we
Thank you.
should,
Ma'am,
keep in
this,
touch later
ma'am,
on
this
also. Yeah.
meeting is lovely. I really wish it had happened, face to face, and it was an offline get together sort of a thing where we shared all our ideas.
I think
I
so,
missed
but
that.
now
I missed
it's
that
not
CBSE
possible.
workshops. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Where are you, ma'am? Where are you stationed?
I'm Chennai, ma'am. I'm in Chennai, Indira Nagar.
Indranagar. Ma'am, Tamila, ma'am, Ninga.
ஆமா மேம் வணக்கம்
Vanakkam.
தேங்க்யூ so much
Nice.
மேம்
In the school, ma'am, Ninga.
Hindu Senior Secondary School மேம்
Okay. Nice to meet you, like this in a workshop. But
yes ma'am
definitely you can contribute a lot, actually.
yes ma'am thank you
Contribute
ma'am
a lot.
so I was
So
so
tomorrow
nervous
we'll see
Partic-
you.
but today I'm so happy
Yeah.
So
So
participants, I have shared the outreach email ID. You can just send it to it. outreach@it.itv.ac.in. Kindly write mail to this so that your attendance will be marked.
yeah. Thank you all.
okay
Bye.
Helata
Thank
ma'am
you.
Madhuri
Thank you,
ma'am
ma'am. Thank
Kannan
you.
sir
Yeah.
Madhukita
See you
ma'am
tomorrow,
all
ma'am.
thank
See
you
you.
ma'am bye
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.